Let's talk about maximum number of balls in the box. So the first figure is redundant. You just have to limit. One is low limit, the other one's high limit, and it's inclusive. So I'm gonna summarize the whole entire question. So you have a ball. So you have to assign the ball to the correct box. So how do you assign to the correct box? You have to split your number, the ball numbers, into one by one, and then you add every digit in together to get a correct number. This number is actually the box number. So the 3 to 1 will assign to box 6, right? 10 will assign to box 1. And I mean, you just have to split your number and then just assign to the correct box. Now, this is a constraint 10 to the 5th, right? So what is 10 to the 5th? This is 10 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is assigned to box 1. This is because this number is assigned to box 1 is because 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is assigned to box 1. So what is the maximum number, maximum box number? Isn't that supposed to be 99999, right? Which is 45, right? And if you do know, like, what I'm gonna do is because I'm gonna use in array. So in array is actually for every space, for every box, it assigned to a space for the correct box. So I'm gonna say this is 45, right? So if you including box 0, there will be 46. So I'm gonna say in array count equal to new in 46. And here we go. So what I would do is I need a for loop to traverse the limit, right? So low limit I less than equal to high limit I plus. Now I need to assign my my numbers, which is I, to the correct box, right? So I need a what? I need a helper function. Probably in. I'm gonna say sum digit. Then you go to in nums. And then I'm going to say in sum equal to 0. Well, num is greater than 0. I need to add every digit, the num digit, to the sum. And then divide by num, divide by 10. And I will return my sum. And for the counting array, back to for loop, I need to call this function with I, and every single time I need to increment. So how do I actually need need for this question? I need to return the maximum number in the box. So I need to traverse the in array I equal to 0, I less than count the length I plus plus. Then I will say I need a variable to store my value, the maximum value. So result would become max.max. And then it's either a result or the count I, right? And you just have to return results. And this will pretty much it. So they just run it. And here we go. So without any questions, this is supposed to be an easy question. And for the time and space complexity, it's pretty simple. For the space, for the time, it's definitely all of them, right? It's between the high limit to the low limit, or low limit to high limit. So, you can say all of h minus L, which is high limit minus low limit, and that will give you the time complexity. And if you want to be more specific, right? Be more specific. You need to think about it. This is 46. The space there are 46 space for the in array, right? So it's going to be like I minus L or 46. Like maximum between the high minus L or 46, because you will have to traverse the in array at the end. So this is pretty much it. So the space could be 46. but I was just making sure like this is all of h minus l, and in this question, the digit, I mean the maximum loop for every number is actually all of 5 or 6, right? Over 6. This is because of constraint, and this is constant, be honest. And if you just want to think about it, like h minus l times a constant, which is which is h minus l, and this will be a solution. And if you feel helpful, subscribe, like if you want it, and I will see you next time. Bye.